Good morning, Lily. The sun is shining today. Good morning, Henry. It is a beautiful summer day.
Wake everyone up. Today is our summer picnic.
It will be a wonderful family adventure.
Can I help pack the picnic basket?
Yes, please put the apples and sandwiches inside.
I will bring the cold water bottles.
Excellent. Staying hydrated is very important.
I packed a football. I packed a kite. We can fly it together.
Is everyone ready?
Yes, let's go! Look at the green trees. The flowers smell wonderful.
Summer is my favorite season.
Mine too. Everything looks so bright.
This park is huge. There is so much space to play.
Let's spread the picnic blanket.
I will help you.
Let's sit under this tree. The shade feels cool.
I feel much better here. This breeze is so nice.
I packed healthy food for everyone.
These sandwiches look delicious. I can't wait to eat. Can I have some watermelon?
Of course, it will keep you refreshed.
I love sweet watermelon.
Remember to drink water often.
I almost forgot. Thank you for reminding us. Catch the ball! I've got it! This is so much fun! Here it comes!
Hold the kite carefully.
It is flying higher now. It looks beautiful.
Who wants ice cream?
Wow! I want chocolate. I want strawberry, please. Your ice cream looks tasty. Let's trade one bite. That's a great idea.
Our hats are flying away!
Quick, catch them!
I'm coming!
Today was a wonderful summer day.
My favorite was spending time together. I can't wait for another family adventure.
Let's visit the flower garden before we go home.
Everything looks so beautiful. I love all these colorful flowers. Look at that blue butterfly. It is so pretty. Wow! Let's stay quiet so it doesn't fly away.
See the ducks swimming together?
They look very happy. They are swimming so fast.
Feed them gently.
They are coming closer. They must be hungry. Let's take a family picture here.
Great idea!
Everybody smile!
1, 2...
Smile! This picture will be amazing. Cheese!
Let's help keep the park clean.
I'll pick up this bottle. I found another piece of trash.
You all did a wonderful job.
It feels good to help. We should always protect nature. Today was the best summer day. I had so much fun with everyone.
Family time is the greatest gift.
Thank you for making today so special.
I'll always remember this summer adventure. See you next time. Have a wonderful summer. Have a wonderful summer.